Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. So today we will demonstrate how to make different beautiful crafts which is available at your home. So at first you can see how we have made the chickens. Next we are using some sponge to make some beautiful flowers. So at first you can see how we have made the petals of the flower. Next we will make the stem and the craft is ready. Now we are coloring a paper and we are making a banana to it. Next we will cut different paper to make the shape of the scenery, and next we will paste the banana, and you can see how good it is looking after adding the face, hands and the legs. Next we are using our footprints and will make a beautiful craft out of it. So we are making two penguins dancing in the snow, and you can see the craft is ready now. Next we will use our fingers to draw the next craft. You can see how we have made the flowers. Next we'll make the stem with the marker, or you can use crayons to make the stem, and you can see this is ready. Now we are using some sponge to make a beautiful and cute bunny. So we are making the face. At first we have made the ears, and next we will make the bunny face, and you can see the craft is ready now. Now we are using the print of a child's hand and we are making a beautiful peacock. You can see how we have made the feathers, next the body, and you can see the craft is ready now. Now we are using some straw to give the texture to the paper of some flower, and you can see how we are decorating it and we are giving the theme of Christmas. Now again we are using the footprint and we'll make a truck out of it. You can see we have made the wheels. Next we'll make the body of the truck, and the craft is ready, and this is a fire truck, and you can see the craft is ready now. Next we are making the stem with the crayons, and next we'll make some beautiful flowers from it. You can see how we are using different colors to make the flower. Now we'll make some bug to it, and you can see the craft is ready now. So here again we are using some print of the children's hand and we are making different beautiful fishes with it, and you can see this is ready. Now we will make different craft with different method, and we are making some leaves of the water with the color. We have spreaded the color to it, and you can see how beautiful it is looking now. Next we'll draw some pattern with the thread. You can see how beautiful the method is and how beautiful the craft is. Now we are cutting some cloud shape from the plastic and we are coloring it into green. Next we'll make the stem with the paper, and you can see the mushrooms are ready and they are dancing. Thank you very much for watching the video.